Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the basics so nothing blocks upload. Vertical 9, 16 under 60 seconds, MP4 or MAV. Once ready, edit to remove dead time and boost audio, make your primary hook visible in the first 3 seconds. Now open the YouTube app or studio. YouTube. Tap the Create or Upload button and select your file. While the video uploads, you'll see a progress bar. Keep the app open and connected to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Once your file is uploaded, you'll title and optimize. Choose a concise title with your main keyword and include hash shorts so YouTube recognizes the format. Then write a short description and add 3-5 relevant tags. This helps discovery. Make sure to select the correct audience setting, especially regarding kids. Next, use the built-in editor to add music, captions, or trim further and pick a thumbnail frame. These final edits affect click-through and accessibility, so be intentional. Now choose visibility, public, unlisted, or scheduled, then hit publish. Once live, make sure to watch the clip on both mobile and desktop to confirm sound and captions sync. You can add the short to a playlist and share the link immediately. If something goes wrong, here's one key tip. If the upload or processing fails, stop, reconnect to Wi-Fi, clear the app cache or browser cache, and re-export at 1080x1920 then reupload. That fixes most common issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.